Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to publish your Base44 app on the Apple Store in a simple and clear way. First, make sure your app is fully developed, tested, and ready for release. Check that it meets all Apple App Store guidelines to avoid rejection. Now, open Xcode and make sure your app version and build number are correctly set. Next, archive your app by going to the Xcode menu, selecting Product, and then Archive. Once the archive is complete, click on Distribute App and choose App Store Connect as your destination. Sign in with your Apple developer account and follow the prompts to upload the app. After upload, log in to App Store Connect on the web. Go to My Apps and select your app. Here, you can add app information like description, keywords, screenshots, and the app icon. Make sure everything is accurate and meets Apple's requirements. Once all details are complete, submit your app for review. Apple will review your app for compliance, which can take a few days. After approval, your Base44 app will be live on the Apple Store and ready for users to download. Subscribe the channel for more videos.